In today's special report, we look at why America was first to put out an AI program like ChatGPT and China didn't. Both superpowers have invested heavily in artificial intelligence, yet America is ahead. What are the differences in government policy, culture, and history that have led to this? It said America has a long history of investing in AI research and development. America has many of the world's leading universities and research institutions. Even the American government has provided substantial funding for AI development. And of course, America's regulatory environment is good for innovation. Now, in comparison, China's regulatory environment is a different story. There's far more state involvement in AI development. The Chinese imposed a number of guidelines and regulations, some of which could actually hamper the industry. We spoke to AI researcher Alexander de Ritter. He says this is a key reason that ChatGPT has been so successful.
We see rewards in the market for openness and collaboration. So OpenAI released early access to their models to engineers, developers, who then started using it and started giving OpenAI massive amount of information on how to make that model better. It gives researchers access to peer insights, so they don't have to solve the same problem twice. And it brings more data and adoption to the market, which is key to improving those models.
As an AI researcher, de Ritter is constantly reading AI research papers, including those from China. He says China has had a tremendous surge in the quantity of AI research, but that's not all it needs.
One thing that is a little bit thematic in that research is that oftentimes it is about a research project to do one step better than what already has been done by somebody else. So China showing that it can do the same thing but better. Whereas papers from the West are oftentimes thinking in a way that they are not so much caring about being better, but are trying completely radical things that may completely not work. And sometimes those are the exact ideas that are necessary to make massive improvements in the field in the future.
Meanwhile, Chinese tech giant Baidu will launch its own ChatGPT-style program very soon. It's called ErnieBot. Baidu says Ernie stands for Enhanced Representation Through Knowledge Integration. Baidu plans on integrating Ernie with all of its operations, starting with its internet search service. We can expect to meet Ernie sometime in March.